What's up, guys? We're on our way to Austin. Of course, we took the Escalade. I put it on autopilot. It's called the Juca Mood, Pilot. Check it out. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa, mi jefe?
Juca driver.
Yeah. I'm all type of driving. Cruising, drifting, racing. This is a super cruise. Super friendly cruise. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nice truck.
I actually just took about 30-40 minute nap. Just woke up.
Worst co-pilot ever.
I know. I didn't sleep last night. I was trying to singleize myself.
It's understandable.
I'm tired. I had a good night last night, but then it didn't end up too what do you call it?
Friendly.
Too friendly. So boy Butch is single now. I'm gonna focus on my career, myself, my daughters, my family, and build an even better lifestyle. So stay tuned. So after 3 hours of driving, actually with the Juca autopilot, we actually took it what, 2.5 hours?
Like 2.5. It was an easy drive.
Now there's a place over here. It's called Porsche Austin. It's a must visit place. So we have to come by over here and visit and see some pretty badass cars at the same time meet some new people. Progress a little bit. Hopefully, maybe thinking about opening a new location here in Austin, maybe the next year or so. So. What do you guys think of this car? This place is pretty gorgeous. It's like a Porsche mall.
It's amazing.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
The next time we'll bring the Lambo.
Yeah.
Qué locura.
Great day to be alive. I'm glad I came over here. What do you think of this place?
Beautiful. I mean, it's just look at the size of that. We just saw 2 stories. I think there's other 2 more on top and 2 more down. This is a monster. Monster. Beautiful cars. Oof.
Now imagine opening a shop over here.
It's a great market, I guess.
This place is it's growing pretty fast. Compared to what, 5 years ago, 10 years ago?
Yeah. 5 years, yeah, 100%.
There's a lot of good potentials over here. The Hamas family again. Are you guys gonna say it?
Yeah.
Please subscribe to Imperial TV now.
Subscribe to Imperial TV. And smash that subscribe button. Yeah.
Good morning.
How are you?
Oh my God, what are you doing?
We're cooking fajitas and eggs. Girls, you want fajitas and eggs or ice cream and eggs? Which one? That's what I thought.
Ice cream in
So
it.
you are the captain, right?
I am the captain of this kitchen. It's Girls ready? Beautiful view, right? You know what else is beautiful? Not just like having a successful life and having amazing work, amazing cars. Having an amazing family is one of the best thing ever. Taking care of my family is my priority. I'm in love. Love them. Feels good. We can party every day, but this is very unique, and time is very, very valuable. Like, I remember the day when they were born. Like right now, they're growing, and every day they're growing, so you can't get that back. Spending time with them is definitely the best thing the best thing I've ever done so far.
Allie.
You okay, babe?
Yeah.
Come on. Where's Daddy's back?
I'm holding.
Okay, come here. I got you.
Yay, no, and.
You guys don't want to go anywhere else?
I'll go wait, yeah. Yeah. This one is like
Let's go.
drive around mostly. This one is
Let's go. Now this is really cool. This is California, Texas, to be honest with you. So we're here at High Five playing bowling actually. It's actually my second time playing bowling. Last time I played bowling was in Mexico. Not bad for a second time. Pretty good. I got some great shots. My daughter. place.